For merchants who offer their products on marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy, it's a constant battle to stay on top. So let's chat about how you can stay relevant and in demand. To start off, you want to strategically be where your consumers shop. This means that investing in and supporting your omnichannel growth will be crucial in widening your reach and reaching your target demographic. You'll also want to invest in data and analytics to enable flexible, full-funnel marketing. To ensure consistency, increase your presence across the board and hone in on your brand voice. While marketplaces such as Amazon may have the upper hand when it comes to incentives such as shipping and fulfillment, it also opens the door to less than stellar copycats in customer service. Stay above the marketplace by offering similar benefits such as fast and free shipping, but also by ensuring quality and superior customer experiences when buying directly from your brand. Focus on fostering a fantastic customer experience by providing personal touches to orders. As well, provide exceptional support when your customers reach out and look for opportunities to engage with them in your marketing channels. All right, so let's recap. Invest in and support your omnichannel growth. Focus on providing a better quality product and excellent customer service. Lastly, rise above your competitors with a personalized customer experience. If you want to hear more about our best e-commerce tips, check out more recap videos here.